Yeah, that would be right. The reason why right there. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Working on a car today. Yeah, so it is like 2-ish. Started on it this morning. Had the whole thing tore down. Done figured out why we got low oil pressure. Should have done it the weekend. I didn't think it. Thing about me though is I have very low faith in my building of motors. Yeah, I can throw a cam in there, but as far as checking bearings and everything, I feel like I'm doing great, but I've had bearings wipe out on me and everything else. So my faith in building motors is very slim. Anyone that knows Dakota can ask him, how's Brandon feel about when he's getting a vehicle that he just got done building tuned? I pace back and forth like a damn crack addict, just back and forth. So bad anxiety, but yeah, got it back together, fires up, we got oil pressure, and I'll show you the reason why we didn't. So let's take a look. Got my little magnet. Yeah, that would be right. The reason why right there. This car, if you don't know, is on straight EA5. We don't run it on anything else. Yeah, that's all. This is an 11-quart pan. Yeah, there ain't no metal on it whatsoever. So we didn't spin a bearing, that's for sure. It gets a little bit of metal. It looks like more like assembly lube with a little bit of metal on it, but yeah. That's all fuel. This is 11 quarts. That's a 7-quart oil pan, and that's how much it filled up. So we got like a quart, maybe 2 quarts of fuel mixed with the oil. So that was our issue. That's the reason why. The A5 diluted it so much that as it got warm, it just diluted it more. Talked to Dakota. We believe we either have a stuck injector, or it may be from us trying to fire it up so many times and it not firing over. So that would be our only guess. I am also running into issues with not having crank signal. Well, not signal, but RPM signal. And I'll come out here and unplug the cam sensor and plug it back in and have signal. So I don't know what the issue is with that. So yeah, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start filling up the coolant, get it, see how well it runs, and go from there. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. Let's see how she does. Uh-oh. Guys, I gotta put the belt on the alternator. I forgot about that. But you see, she cranks up. So I'm gonna put the belt on, then we're gonna let it idle and get all the air bubbles out of the coolant. All right, let's try for take 2. 14 bolts. 40 pounds of oil pressure. Didn't like that. We're gonna let it idle. We'll let it get up to temp. Once it gets up to temp, we'll see if it starts dropping or not. Hopefully it don't. Keep your fingers crossed. But we're seeing better oil pressure now than we were a couple of days ago. So coming on up to temp. Oil hasn't really dropped none. It's staying right where it needs to be. Looks like the coolant, well, water is bled pretty good. Getting whatever little air bubbles we can out of it. Might need to tighten up that V-band and get a better seal. Yeah, smoking a little bit. But we got oil pressure, so that's all that matters. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, make sure everything's good, and check back for y'all. Well guys, there she is in all her glory. Don't feel so bad. Sucks I didn't race this weekend. Should have changed the oil, should have looked it over, should have done a lot of things. Unfortunately, I ain't stressed about this motor. Sucked, but it is back running. It was not a bearing issue. Thank God, because I really didn't want to pull this motor, but hell, if y'all would have seen it earlier today, it was all the way tore down to just getting ready to pull it. I mean, even the converter bolts were out. So yeah. I got to work this weekend. Might take it out to the track. Might throw the radios on it. Just got to see where we're going to go from here. So, that next video y'all probably seen. I guess it called it a fluke. I don't know. But yeah. We're going racing with this motor. If it blows, it blows. I didn't want to risk it this weekend because I thought it was a bearing issue. I got 823 heads on there, and I did not want to. They're ported by GPI. I didn't want to damage them with anything kind of activities because I really thought it was a bearing issue. Should have known to check the oil because that's a whole lot of fuel in that oil. But yeah, we're back running. We're back driving. I think it's been idling for like 20 minutes now. What in the world? I got some leaks with water, water hoses. I'm gonna wait till it cools down to even fool with that. So I might try to get around the exhaust. But yeah, we are back running. It's idled. It's held 35 to 40 pounds of oil pressure. I am more than ecstatic with that. I still got to hook up the catch can. Had a brain fart there for a second. Got to hook up the catch can. Once we hook it up, we'll be 100% ready to go. Oil is good. Oil pressure is good. So that makes me a little bit more excited. I don't have to call the machine shop aggravating them here until they get done with my fucking motor. If you're a child, disregard the F word. It's no. Yeah. Next weekend I'm off work. We're going racing. So prepare for that. Be prepared for that that video. It'll be coming out here shortly. I think I got like a week. So yeah, not this upcoming weekend, but the next weekend. So yeah, I'll probably be a video behind, so stay tuned. That's gonna be it for this one. Should have done it this weekend. We've been racing, but it is what it is. I got to stay warm. My buddies got to stay cold. So I think that's gonna wrap it up. I think we're back ready to race. So hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Comment down below if you got any questions. Like I said previously, oil is full of E85. It had to have been from us trying to crank it and having issues with the cranking and not wanting to fire over. So just dumped a whole bunch of fuel. It is what it is. Learn my lesson. Start draining your oil. If you got problems like this, drain your oil, folks, especially if you're on E85. If you are subscribed, stick around. More races coming, hopefully soon. So yeah, until next time, guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one.